your jacket.
Careful not to break it. Josh, smell it, mommy. But you don't know where the screw is. I don't even know where it is, Anna. Where are you going?
I'm gonna get the... I don't know.
What are you getting?
Get something.
She forgot. You forgot what to get.
I thought there was written like that.
Like that? How do you call that? The one that you do like that?
And I don't know.
Screw.
Screw! I just find he screws the fight.
Okay, let me know if you find it, okay? Hinahanap niya yung screw.
Ayan ang ating update ng ating channel. So, malaki na talaga.
We're gonna buy now.
I will have to have a look.
Say hello.
Let's put your jacket on.
Hi guys! Good afternoon! Welcome back sa ating channel. It is now 2 o'clock ng hapon and it is Saturday. And alam niyo naman kapag Saturday guys, diba? Kailangan magbanding-banding ng ating pamilya. Ganon. So, tingnan nyo. Kakarating lang namin dito sa Queen Victoria Market. Alam niyo, sobrang ginaw guys. Tingnan nyo. Fix your hairpin, anak! Tingnan nyo ang jacket ni Baby Paris. Tingnan nyo ang aking jacket. Oh, diba? Sobrang kapal. Kapal. Ayan. So, kakapark lang namin. The market is just on the back there. Ayan. So, take you with us, guys, para makita nyo yung Queen Victoria Market. I haven't been here for so long. Like, I don't know. Basta matagal na siya, guys. I don't think nakapag-vlog ako dito recently. So, I'll show you what's in there. And para makita nyo kung anong laman ng Queen Victoria Market dito sa Melbourne. So, see you later. Ayan na sila, oh. Design kami ng outfit ni Paris, ang jacket. Maghahanap muna kami ng makakain, guys. Kasi I'm super hungry. So, Melbourne City. Ayan, dyan nagtatrabaho si Daddy Mike sa building na yan, guys. Ayan.
What's the smell?
So, malapit lang to sa trabaho ni Daddy Mike. They have a lot of stuff here, guys, na binibenta. Ayan. Hanap na tayo ng makakain. Books, accessories, food. Oh, what's this? Daming books. What's this one here, Daddy? Oh, phone. Corn daw, guys. Yeah.
Visit bit.ly/Canada. 3-year-old Canada.
Corn.
Oil or grilled?
Just like that.
Just like that?
Oh,
Yeah.
butter's back.
Yeah, you want $4.
You want corn na?
No.
No? Yummy. This is yummy.
Thank you very much. You have a lovely day, okay? Yes, please.
Hi, can I please have one cone? Thank you. With butter and salt. Thank you. There's the horse. Favorite ko din tong donuts na ito, guys. Dito. Diba meron sa South Melbourne? Meron din dito. Ayan. Nililinyahan talaga itong donut dito, guys. Nak, you want donuts, Nak? Huh?
Should I ask if we can go on the horsey?
No. We're not getting
That's expensive.
How expensive?
200 or something? Tingnan nyo ang linya, guys. Huh? Can you believe this, huh?
Are you seriously going to get them?
Yeah. Uwa. Grabe linya guys. Mabuang ka ba yun?
Yeah.
Ala, maybe not. Ala, tingnan nyo hanggang dito. Oh my God. Huh?
Freshly cut pineapple.
This way? Huh? Yeah, I know. Sobrang taas, guys. Grabe. Wag na lang ay. Next time. Ito, meron silang mga ano dito, guys. Mga vegetables, fruit. Yan. Nuts. Hindi na lang ako bumili ng donut, guys. Grabe. Kita nyo ang linya? Kabuang. So, this is the other part, guys. Meron silang mga cheese and meat. Bread. Ooh. Iba-iba yung smell dito, guys. Okay. Paris. Where are you going? Ayan. So this is the Elizabeth. Oh, what's this?
Our first date.
Is this Elizabeth?
Yeah. This is our first date, Bob. One of our second date, third date.
Really? Yeah, hindi ko na remember, guys. Sabi ni Daddy Mac, dito daw kami nag-date before. Baka iba yung ka-date niya. Not me, Daddy.
No, it was not me and you. Just this is the simply Spanish restaurant. It was just here. We had pork belly, like in a little bowls.
Yeah, Daddy Mac's got really good memory, guys. Ako, wala na.
The coffee, yeah.
Coffee. Yeah. We'll have it here, guys. Ang aming drink. What did you get? What did you get? Ano ko, sinasabihan niya yung daddy niya kung anong laruan gusto niya. What toy would you like? Thank you.
Thank you.
For me or for mommy?
We can share. For me or for mommy daw. Yung daddy niya hindi man kinunan si Paris. Counts as one na
You have to use
siya.
the spoon. Have to use the spoon.
Careful, this might be hot, okay?
Now.
Forget for lunch.
Sinasabi ni Daddy Mike, guys, this is better one daw sa, kesa doon sa South Melbourne, yung pinupuntahan namin. So, we'll see. Kailangan doon niya ng gloves. Ayaw niyang inumin kasi kailangan niyang gloves kasi nainit. Just blow it, nak. Anak, just blow.
Yeah, like that. Good girl. Watch your jacket.
Careful, nak, sa jacket. Josh, Ami? Smile to Mommy? Josh,
Is that yummy?
Yes.
Ipon brown. Yeah. It's not as like chocolatey.
Is it as good as it? Or no?
Huh? It's yum, but it's not as chocolatey as the one in Shade Dry.
Is it as good as Chester? Or do you need to have another taste?
Tingnan niyo guys, nakabalik na kami. Ang linya ay nandito pa rin. Oh, Daddy, the queue is not too bad now. Huh? Bigit, mamikit. Alis sila guys, bibili sila ng laruan. Love you.
I love it.
Yay! Bye!
Where am I going to see you?
Huh? Just here. Huh?
You're going to eat?
Just here. I'll still be here for sure. Honey.
Yeah.
What did you get? Show me your gloves. Wow. You get Sky. Oh my God, dumilim siya agad. Oh my God.
Siya mami na saan?
Tingnan nyo guys, bumili din ako ng donut ko eh. Yan no. Naglinya talaga si ate nyo. Hindi pwedeng hindi makakain ng jam donuts.
Siya mami, box.
Wow. Did you say thank you to daddy?
Of course she did.
Show it.
Yeah, one. See, look at mami, siya mami there.
Wow.
What's happened that will show it for you? A wow.
You get another gloves. Did you get one for baby sister? Wow, Dora the Explorer.
Siya mami?
Story.
Huh? Show me this.
Don't get jam on my white shirt.
Just put that there then.
I want it.
Wow, show me B.
You have to cut the fingers.
Huh?
You have to cut it.
Got it.
Like cut the fingers so that like knock itself like the fingertip comes out, you know? Because that one's too big. This one should be fine. But she wants this one.
You want the rainbow? Do you want the rainbow?
Yeah?
Wow. Nice. I love it.
I want it.
Do you like it?
I'm very hungry.
You're very hungry?
Donuts!
Yeah, donuts. There's donuts
Mommy?
there.
Oh, donuts, Daddy.
Wow.
Siya mami?
Tingnan
Mami.
niyo guys, pinila ni Daddy, Gochi. Gochi. Oh, it's still big. Tingnan niyo guys, oh may pag-Gochi pa silang nalalaman. Wait, baby, show me, baby. It's Gochi, baby. Iba rin, isang labahan lang, hawa na. Tingnan niyo ang kanyang tatay. Oh, grabing ano ng tatay nito.
You happy?
Wow, so many toys. Nagsisiuwian na yung mga tao guys kasi they close at 4 o'clock. Hats, bonnets. This cute. Daddy, okay. We're having lunch guys. Anong oras na? Dito kami sa Melbourne City, Malaysian Laksa House. Having Milo.
Wait, it's mine. Ow.
No, it's mommy's.
Oh, it's me, Mommy.
Ayan. Tapos yung work ni Daddy guys, nandyan lang. Hindi malayo. Ordered laksa.
Go be for daddy today?
Here's our food. I got beef curry laksa.
Thank you. There you go,
There's
Baba.
no serviette, Daddy?
Yummy.
It's the same. And Parcel. Ang kanyang inumin. O, nasa ano.
Not sure. Move your...
Is it so hot? You have to blow, anak.
No, I don't like those.
Careful, nak. Mahayang ka, nak. Baba. Mahayang ka.
Sit down.
No, like
Yum. It looks yummy, guys. Hi, guys. Time check tayo. It's now 6:58 ng gabi and kakauwi lang namin dito sa bahay. I'm very sorry kung medyo madilim siya, guys, kasi nandito kami sa kwarto ngayon. Anak, say hi sa tito, be. Tita. Anak. Say hello.
hello.
I have a messy face.
I want my face.
So, yung ginawa namin from the market kanina, we dropped Daddy at the gym. So, si Daddy natin ngayon ay nasa gym. Kami lang ni Baby Paris dito sa bahay. Ayan. Kakauwi nga lang, kaya naka-jacket pa tayo. And oh my God, guys, seriously. I'm super duper tired, anak. And, nandito kami sa kwarto straight away kasi we turned on the heater. Sobrang ginaw sa
Mommy,
labas, guys. Are you cold, anak? Are you cold?
please.
Are you cold? 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 We'll put some light, B. Super dark man na nga tong video, nak.
Super dark.
Yeah, super dark. See, like that, B? Oh. Is that better? Can you see it better?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
Mommy.
Ang ating tummy is getting bigger na, guys. Ang ating baby.
What?
Yeah.
You tell me?
Yeah, baby sister is getting bigger.
Mommy.
Yeah. And you know what? Sa gabi, grabe. Kahit hindi sa gabi, guys. During daytime kasi, she moves very much as well. But hindi ko masyado napapansin talaga kasi busy, may ginagawa. But during the night time, guys, oh my God. Si mami nyo hindi makatulog kasi sobrang likot na ng ating baby girl sa ating, ating chan. We are now 27 weeks. 27 weeks. So, only 13 weeks to go. And baby Paris will see your sister, yeah? Are you excited?
You go.
Are you excited?
Yeah.
Yeah.
My
It's very good daw, guys, kasi alam nyo, feel na talaga siya ni Daddy Mike kapag nag-move siya. So, we enjoy it very much. And so, ito yung binili ni Daddy Mike for baby Paris. Elsa. So, Elsa, look. So, it's very hard to get the the battery. We'll do Elsa later. Where's Sky? Where's Sky, B? We'll do Sky first. Ayan. Kailangan pala ng screw. Hala, ewan mo. Where's Sky? Find Sky, go. Is it outside? Go. Yan, we'll fix this one later on. So, ito yung binili ni Daddy Mike, guys, for baby Paris. Ayan. So, ito yung Gucci na jacket. And yung katerno niya na pants. Madilim ba, guys? Can we turn another light on? Sobrang dilim. Oh, tingnan nyo, guys. Oh, siya lang naglagay-lagay ng battery.
I put the battery that was by myself.
By yourself?
Yes, that's how I could do that.
You can do it. Very smart, honey.
This one, there is 7-0.
You're a superhero?
It's 7-0 Sky.
Superhero Sky.
No, me, I'm scared.
I'm superhero Paris.
No, 7-0 Sky, me.
Ah, you're the superhero Sky.
Yes, I could do something to make something to I could put battery in there.
Oh, yeah, well done. You can put the battery. You're very smart, aren't you? Are you very smart?
Yeah.
Yeah. Ewan ko kung anong ginagawa ni Sky pag nilagyan na ng battery. Do you know what she's doing na?
It's going to walk.
Oh, really?
Yeah. It's going to walk with me.
She's gonna walk. Okay, we'll see.
I'm
I think the toys are broken na. Saan man ito yung ipalitan na?
going to make Sky.
See, try that one. See, it doesn't work, man. And yeah, Daddy Mike got you this. Yay! Gloves, guys. Tingnan nyo, mittens for
But
kasi maginaw na ang panahon.
the ones that make
So this one.
I wonder.
Sobrang dilim talaga ng ating guys, video. Bakit ganito?
I wonder put Sky on like a minute. I told you.
She made it work.
I told you.
You told me. Put her down. Ay, nandito pala, guys. Oh, buti pa si Paris. Alam niya. Put her down, nakbe. Put her down. Push the thing. Akala ko hindi siya nag-work. Dancing. Oh, dancing, ha?
It's not silly.
So silly. Buti pa siya, guys. Alam na alam niya. Paris Nicole, you know your toys kidnap na. Guys, minove po kayo dyan sa taas kasi I think sobrang dilim doon. Hindi niyo makita na mabuti yung napakita ko. ito yung binili ni Daddy Mike, guys. So, ito sila, yung mga jacket na to. Sa Vic Market kasi, meron silang mga, hindi yung mga authentic talaga ng mga brands. So, this one is only $25. So, dalawa yung kinuha ni Daddy Mike, pero sinuot niya sa gym yung isa. Ayan. So, this is Fila. Tinanong niya ako kung gusto ko ba. Kasi nga, guys, it's getting really cold in Melbourne ngayon. And, alam niyo, pagkagising niyo sa umaga, sobrang nanginginig talaga, guys. Yung tinggil ay sobrang nanginginig talaga. Kaya, ayun, sabi ko, wag na, it's okay. Sabi niya na, I'll buy it for myself kasi alam na naman daw niya na susuotin ko din daw. So, ayan, dalawa yung kinuha niya. And then, nung naglalakad pa kami, guys,
Walking, Mommy.
ito yung, she's not walking. There you go. She's walking.
No, you.
You have to push it all the time. And then there's another one, guys. Ito mga pambahay lang, guys, ba? Or, you know, when you go to the shops, bumili ka, mag-grocery, ganun.
Stop eating this again.
So, tingnan nyo ang brands Stussy, pero hindi to siya totoong Stussy, guys. Ayan. Mga ano lang to sila.
Mommy, you.
Pero mga warm to sila.
He stopped away.
Yay! She's gonna stop, of course, anak.
He just stopped me. Mommy, stop it. You're not singing.
She's not singing anymore? Maybe you have to rest for a little bit, anak. Wait for a little bit before you push it again. Hindi na daw kumakanta si Sky.
Mommy,
Anyways,
I want
ayan.
to do outside.
Meron tayo very
Mommy,
comfortable na pangtulog kasi as you can see, oh, kailangan ko na talaga ng mga ano.
I wanna play another one.
You wanna play another one?
Yes, that's not work because
She's not broken up. You just have to wait for a little bit.
Mommy.
Ayan, sobrang nice ng tela niya, guys. And this one was for $15
I
lang.
wanna play outside.
You wanna play Elsa? Okay, we'll fix Elsa, okay? What do you say?
I'm a super service guy.
You're a superhero?
I'm a super service guy.
But you don't know where the screw is. I don't even know where it is, Anna.
Mommy, I can do it.
You can't do it? Mama, I'll help you. Whoa, there you go. Where you going?
I'm gonna get the. I don't know.
What are you getting?
Get something.
You forgot. You forgot what to get.
I thought that was written like that.
Like that? How do you call that? The one that you do like that?
And I don't know.
Screw.
Screw. I just find he screws that find screw.
Okay, let me know if you find it, okay? Hinahanap niya yung screw.
A screw.
She found it.
I found it.
You found it. I think it's too big enough. Ano, nakita niya talaga, guys. Okay. Where did you find this one?
From there.
Where? Whereabouts?
Up there.
Over there.
Yes.
Oh. Maybe you can find something small enough. This is too big. Try to find something small, Paul. This won't fit Elsa. Gusto niyang kumanta. Ayaw ng kumanta ni Sky.
Come to me.
There you go. You sing.
It's right again.
Where's she going?
This one. This one.
Wow, lovely. Nak, let me have a look, anak.
Where is going?
Hi, did you say thank you, Daddy?
A few moments later.
Hi guys, time check tayo. It's now 10:30 na pala. 10:30. Nandito ako sa kusina guys kasi I felt hungry. And yung ating mag-ama ay nandyan pa naman sa lounge room. Nanonood si Daddy Mike ng kanyang show. Ewan ko kung ano yan. And Paris still playing with her toys. And naisipan kong gumawa ng tinughong. So, alam niyo yung tinughong? Ayan. Kung hindi kayo nakatry ng tinughong, rich kayo. Rich kids. Meron kasi naiwan na rice the other night, from last night, guys. Kaya nilagyan ko ng mainit na tubig, and asin. And yan na, snacks na. And you know what? It is very, very cold. Seriously. Kaka-off lang ni Daddy Mike ng aming heater. And, ayan, oh, tignan nyo, oh. Itong suot ko. Tapos, naka-ano pa na, naka-medyas. Sobrang ginaw talaga, guys. And you know what? Ayan ang ating update ng ating channel. So, malaki na talaga. And every part of my body ay sumasakit na talaga. Alam niyo yun, guys. Masakit na dito, sa balakang, sa tuhod, sa paa. Everywhere masakit na. Sobrang bigat na ng ating baby girl, guys. But I can't wait to meet her very soon in 13 weeks time or maybe sooner. Kasi Paris came out 10 days earlier than the due date. So maybe, yeah, this baby will also come out earlier than expected. And while nandito ako sa kitchen, guys, hugasan ko na lang itong mga platong ito para pagising ko bukas ng umaga. Malinis. Alam niyo yun? Tomorrow is Sunday. Wala kaming plano kung anong gagawin namin bukas. Kasi kung ako ang tatanungin niyo, gusto ko lang mag-rest. Siguro maintindihan naman ninyo siguro, no? Sa mga nagbuntis dyan, alam niyo yung feeling. I feel so tight, guys. Like, seriously, yung aking tummy ay sobrang tight na talaga. Like, stretch na talaga siya. Pakita ko nga sa inyo, guys. Tabi, apo, palabihang. Ayan. Tabi, apo. Parang ano na talaga, lumubo na talaga siya to the max. It's really good. It means that our baby is growing. Right? So, yung next appointment ko sa midwife, dapat sana May 26. Kasi every 6 weeks bumibisita ako sa midwife ko. But then May 26 timing kasi may meeting ako with my manager and my boss sa Sydney, andito sa Melbourne, kasi nga pag-uusapan na namin yung aking maternity leave. Kasi 'di ba, we will go on maternity leave 6 weeks before our due date. So pag-uusapan na namin yun, kaya minove ko na lang ng 3rd or 2nd of June yung ating appointment sa ating midwife. But the baby is kicking so much naman, guys. So it makes me feel comfortable na the baby is doing really well in my tummy. Ayan.